At Astro, we are especially proud of our commitment to documentation. Astro Docs doesn't just help you find your way around Astro. Astro Docs has been a great way into Astro for many of our community contributors. Astro Docs is an Astro website about building Astro websites. There is so much involved in maintaining a documentation website. So whatever your skills, your interests, bring it. We can use it. And so many of you already have. I'm going to tear up. We are so proud of everything that's gone into Astro Docs, everything that's been contributed to Astro Docs, and everything that has come out of Astro Docs. But perhaps we're most proud to be able to help you make your own docs with Starlight. That deserves applause. And I'm pleased to share with you tonight the latest Starlight updates. We and our amazing community have built stuff for you. So let's take a look. Starlight takes what we've learned about building and maintaining a docs project and puts it all together in one ready-to-go package so that you can't make a bad docs site, while at the same time lets you customize and gives you the flexibility to have a site that's truly your own. Anyone should be able to just add Markdown and have a helpful docs site that just works on older devices, on slower connections, with assistive technology for your global audience. There's no getting around the fact that all computing is resource intensive, but Starlight was built to be eco-friendly first, with intentional design decisions to reduce page weight and power consumption. We're proud of our defaults, and we've spent the last little while building even more built-in features and components that you can use that are essential to a great docs site. And we know this because they're essential to our docs site. So let's look at 4 components that our community has built. Present your folder structure or highlight an individual file with our file tree component that just wraps an unordered Markdown list. File icons, contextual notes, and interactive collapsing folders display by default. The new sync key property in our tabs component allows your readers to choose once their operating system or package manager and see their choice reflected throughout the page as they read. Use our community-submitted badge component to display small pieces of information like status or labels. 4 included variants, 3 text sizes, and if you need some more customization, just pass CSS in an object. Help your readers stay focused, working through your guides and tutorials with clear instructions that are easy to find and follow. If you've already got an ordered Markdown list, you're good to go. Just wrap it in our steps component. No change to your existing content required. Now, in addition to bringing you these essential docs components, we've also been hard at work to bring you the most complete I18N docs solution. With translated UI strings and now I18N Next API support, no other docs site lets you just say which languages you're using and immediately have your entire site infrastructure in place, translated, just waiting for your content. Our commitment to internationalization is one of the reasons that Starlight is used around the globe. And to get it right, our community of contributors, representing 16 officially supported languages, has been building with us from the beginning the entire time, ensuring that Starlight works for everyone. And we build Starlight not just in public and out in the open, but on the air. Talking and Docking is your chance to join a weekly call with Astro core maintainers as we work on Astro Docs and Starlight. We get our work done, and you get to participate, often by all jumping into a shared online code workspace together. So that steps component, over a series of weekly calls, our community built that, taking it from an idea to implementation, to polish and review, to updating Astro's own docs. But no matter how you get started contributing to Astro, and you will, right? Every contribution of every kind to the Astro ecosystem enriches the project and all of us in it. Whether you're filing bug reports, translating UI strings, fixing a typo, adding a test, or participating in roadmap discussions, building your own themes and integrations, answering support questions. I've got so many of these, writing blog posts and tutorials. This keeps going. Live streaming demos, attending a community call, telling a friend about Astro, or running Create Astro and building a website without anybody knowing at all, except Houston. You are a valuable member of our community, and your contribution helps. It might honestly have been easier to make a slide that listed the things that do not contribute to Astro, because if you use Astro, you make Astro better. Starlight wouldn't have gotten this far without you, and we have even bigger plans for the future, so we're gonna need you. Hop in. This thing can fit so many community contributors.
Hey everyone, my name is Alex.
Hi, my name is Kevin.
Hey Astro crew, this is Ava.
Hey guys, how we doing? Name is Jacob, or Jumper you may or may not know me as.
Hi everyone, it's Arisa from Storyblog.
Hello everybody, my name is Anthony Faris.
Hey everyone, Paul Valladares here, or better known as Dreyfus.
I came to the Astro Discord, I think, to answer some questions about development, and I found such a really nice community here of folks who are super supportive, super encouraging. Always cool to see what people are building with Astro.
I'd seen a left curly brace that wasn't properly encoded, and so I asked if there was any easy fix to this. And if you know, you know. It wasn't very easy, but everyone was super friendly in this first interaction, so I decided to stick around because it was easy to ask questions regarding Astro development too.
I just fell in love with it. I love the community. I love the tool of what you guys are doing.
Astro gets community right. They've created an onboarding experience that's welcoming to everyone regardless of their expertise. It's about making everyone feel like they can contribute, learn, and grow.
My first PR was a broken link. It was very, very small. I started from fixing one line, then a couple lines, then a sentence, then a section, then a page. So yeah, I didn't have a lot of experience when I started to contribute. Astro was probably one of the first repos that I made a PR.
And I started to contribute to localize the docs they have. They have a dedicated docs team, and in there I was able to get a lot of help.
I just went into the code, I started reading it, and I just
I just went for it. I opened my first PR, and then I did it more and more, and the Astro community was so welcoming, so nice to me.
And as I stuck around here longer, I noticed that there were some folks who were newer to web development who were, having questions about how to do certain things in Astro, but also just like in JavaScript or with the web.
I was asking things about web design or Astro or whatever.
And so I started replying to some of their support questions as I was working on my own tasks.
And I was like, oh, I can answer that, and I can answer that as well. I can answer that, and then eventually I just sort of, just spent more and more time on the Discord, talking to people and helping people out and stuff.
Being part of the Astro community transformed me. It wasn't just about developing my technical skills. It was about growing as a person, learning to communicate, learning to collaborate, to be part of something bigger.
And if you want to start your own open source journey, don't feel overwhelmed. We would love to have you around. There are endless possibilities.
All of the people out there can definitely contribute to Astro, whether it's just by triaging issues, seeing if this issue is actually reproducible, or let's say creating a PR, whether it's a quick fix or like take on low-hanging fruit so that the core team can focus on building the mighty Astro.
Translation, ticket triage, community support, request for comments, experimental features, bug fixing.
So yeah, if you like to contribute, like I did, it's highly recommended. You get to learn tons of things.
I just want to say to anyone that's having like second thoughts, and just go for it. Sometimes the first step is the hardest, but it could be the beginning of an amazing journey.
Whatever you enjoy is the right thing for you to do. And we are happy you are around our community.
It's a community that uplifts, educates, and inspires.
The Astro community has continued to be a place that I enjoy spending time, enjoy sharing projects that I'm working on, enjoy seeing what other people are working on. It's a place that I really like being and excited to see what's to come with Astro.
To everyone out there, remember that your contributions matter. You can make a difference. So join us, grow with us, and let's build something amazing together.
Just go for it.